I'm Larry Burke from Boston. How you doing out there, wicked pisser? I hope, huh? Okay, all right. Give me a minute. Just got started, my friend. Anyhow, yeah, like I said, I'm from Boston. Remember the movie The Perfect Storm? Remember it took place in Gloucester? Right. Yeah, with George Clooney and my boy, Mark Wahlberg. Anyhow, okay, Woody Woodpecker, will you take it easy? Jeez, and he's so, I spent, I actually had a one night stand in Gloucester. Even spent the whole night there. Spent the whole night, for real. I'm not kidding you. Okay. Can I get on with my joke? So, yeah. So, I even spent the whole night there. I did, for real. I even remember what she had for dinner that night. That's right. That night, she had the lobster. And, in the morning, I had the crabs. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, okay, you can laugh now, you know what? Yeah, you think it's funny? I'm gonna see you out in the parking lot. You got, oh, yeah, stop laughing. Okay, so I think that's my set now. Have a good night, you guys. Thank you. You've been really wicked best.